Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to edit and customize Zeely's pre-built ad templates to better fit your brand and connect with your audience. Zeely offers ready-made templates that help you build professional-looking ads quickly, but learning how to tweak them properly makes your content more unique and effective. Start by opening the Zeely app and choosing the Create Ad option. You'll be prompted to select from a variety of pre-designed templates tailored for different business types and social media platforms. These templates include preset layouts, text sections, image placeholders, and call-to-action buttons. Once you've selected a template, tap Edit to open the customization view. Inside the editor, you'll see all the elements that make up the template. To change images, simply tap on any placeholder and choose a photo from your phone's gallery or upload product shots. Zeely also gives you access to a built-in stock image library if you need professional visuals quickly. Next, customize the text fields. Replace the default headline with something relevant to your offer. Use strong, clear language that highlights the benefit to the viewer. Then adjust the supporting text underneath to explain your message in a way that resonates with your audience. Keep it concise and persuasive. Zeely's AI suggestions can also help with phrasing if you're unsure what to write. You can also modify the colors and fonts to match your brand's identity. Use your brand's color scheme for backgrounds, text, and buttons to keep your visuals consistent across all your marketing. Zeely allows easy adjustments with just a few taps, so no design experience is needed. Finally, review the call to action button. Tap it to edit the text and make it action-oriented, something like book now, get your free trial, or order today. Make sure your CTA matches the goal of your ad. Once you're done, preview the ad to ensure everything looks right and then publish or download it for use across your chosen platforms. Customizing Zeely's templates gives you the best of both worlds, speed and flexibility. Instead of starting from scratch, you can adapt professionally designed layouts into something that's uniquely yours with just a few simple steps. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.